Imagine a business where you don't need any inventory and you can literally operate that business just from your laptop. Well guys, my name is Sagar and in this video I will explain to you guys what exactly is dropshipping, how I've been making money from it, and I'll show you guys with the help of live examples how there are other people out there on the internet making money every single day. I'm making this video so you guys can take advantage of this business model and start making money online for yourself, and so you can generate extra 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, even more, so you guys can go out there, fire your boss, and finally be able to quit your job and live that digital nomad lifestyle. But enough talking, let's just get to the point what you guys came here to. Dropshipping is a business model where a store doesn't keep the products in stock. And remember, when I say store, it's me, myself. So where the store doesn't have any products in stock. Instead, when I sell a product to a customer, then after a customer buys from me, then the store, myself, purchase the item from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to customer. So as a result, the store owner never sees or handles the product. So basically, I never touch the product. Only thing I'm doing is running the store that's online. So let's just get into a live example how this exactly works. So this is what people do. They go on Facebook app, usually on their mobile feed, and they just scroll through just like this, and then boom, you see an ad. Let's just play this ad right now. So as you guys can tell, it's basically a hair remover. What it does is it's a little laser that removes your hair or something like that, right? And people get hit with ads like this, different product, mosquito killer, I'm saying chessboard, all this stuff all the time. And how I know this is an ad, because you can see right here, it says sponsored. So this is the ad. So what people do next is they click this button called shop now. Oh, I like this product. And they click shop now, boom. And then you land on a website like this. And you can clearly see they're selling this product for $229, right? $229, remember that number. This is gonna be very important. So you can scroll on their website, you can see it's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. It's a simple website. You can easily make this website on Shopify.com. This website, literally like this, it should not take you anything more than 15 minutes. But don't get too confused. In the next video, I'm dropping. I'm not sure when I'm dropping, but I'm gonna drop it within 2-3 days. I'll explain with you guys. I'll go through you guys how to build a store, how to add products, and all that stuff. For right now, just remember, focus on what dropshipping exactly is so you have a better understanding how this business model works. So you can see basic website, and then what people do is they click on add to cart. And then boom, they enter information, they end up buying the product. But this is the funny thing. This is where it gets funny. If you go on this thing called aliexpress.com, you can literally search up what we just saw, hair remover, and you search hair remover, boom. And you'll see, boom, there's this product. Doesn't it look similar? There's a lot of these. See, doesn't this look similar? Doesn't this look similar? Doesn't this look similar? $31.68, $31, $34. This is $45.57. So right now, this match perfectly with this product. So you can see, this is what these people are exactly doing. They have this product from aliexpress.com and they put that product on their store and they sell for $229. And then they just keep the profit. Whatever the profit is, $229 minus 45, the profit gonna come about $170 to $180. And that's basically what dropshipping is. Buying for cheap products and selling for higher price. And I know you probably right now has this question. Why would people buy from me? Why can't they just go out there to just buy from this supplier? Or why they just cannot buy from Amazon or somewhere on Google? Well, that's why I'm gonna explain to you guys why exactly they do it. So why not buy from supplier directly? This is the question you have. Why not people just gonna buy from the supplier directly? Remember, first point, very first point, they don't know the supplier website. Most people don't even know AliExpress exists. So they're not gonna go out there and buy on there because they just saw your store and they're gonna buy from that. Second point, marketing plus impulse buy. If you don't know what is impulse, impulse is basically when you go to a store or you go into the mall and you smell something, it smells good and you just buy that food. You go to a mall, you like a shirt, you just buy it. So that's called impulse buy. You just like something and you buy it. You don't really care about the price. That's another reason. Plus even marketing. These things are like so connected because marketing plus impulse buy is what gets you making money online. So for example, like shirt. You see a cool shirt, you just buy it. You don't really care about the price, and it's so hard for you to go out there and find a similar shirt. So you just be like, I don't want to do all the work. I just want to buy online. Same with chessboard. I just saw a chessboard online and I was like, I actually kind of need one. I'm gonna just buy one. Another one is posters. People just look at something cool, buy it. Massage gun. Massage gun is literally people were looking, oh, it looks cool. It's the new trend. I want to buy it too. I want to try it too. People doesn't even go on Google and search massage gun or Amazon massage gun. What's the cheapest one? They just look at your website. It looks cool because it's called marketing. You display your product in a way that looks cool. And people just are sold on it. They just want to buy it right there and then. There is 5% of leakage. It's called leakage. Basically, some people does go on Google or Amazon and they buy product from there because it's cheaper for whatever reason. But you can understand, most of the people, when they see your product, they're gonna buy it. And remember, this is another important one. You create a website that looks trustworthy. Literally is like 90% of the work. People go on your website and if it looks good, believe me or not, people are gonna buy right in there. They're not gonna worry about Amazon, Google, and especially AliExpress. People just hate buying on Chinese website. They just think they're gonna get scammed. So build a website that's trustworthy and then people are gonna buy from you. All right, let's just hop in back to my computer. Let's just finish where we left off at. I'm gonna give you a little bit of basic training how you can go out there and replicate this business model so you can make money for yourself. So this is all you have to do is go on this thing called Shopify.com. When you go on Shopify.com, it should look something like this. It's so easy with Shopify to get a website up and running, you would not believe it. So just click Start Free Trial. And you fill out the information, password, and your store name, and boom, you click create your store and you have a store ready. And boom, then it will look something like this. Your dashboard should look something similar to this. And then what you do is basically you go on apps and there's this app called Oberlo. You click on Oberlo. So what Oberlo is, it's basically this. Let me use my charger to explain it perfectly. So this is basically aliexpress.com and this is Shopify. They doesn't connect, right? They connect. This is what Oberlo is doing. Oberlo is like this wire. You put it right here and you connect the other end to AliExpress. Boom. And now Shopify and AliExpress is connected. So that's what Oberlo is. And the best thing about Oberlo, it's free. Like it's literally free. So all you have to do is go on Shopify.com, sign up for free trial, download this app called Oberlo, and then after you download Oberlo, you'll get this little button right here. You see this little button? This will automatically, like magically add this product to your store, and you will have something that looks like this. And it's literally magic. And then after that, all you have to worry about is running traffic to your store. Like I said, I know you probably are confused right now. Don't be confused. I'm gonna do another video that's gonna be dropping in 2 or 3 days where I go with you guys, create a store, download the Oberlo app and start from scratch. And I'm gonna be adding exactly this product to my store. Then we'll even test this product out. By testing, what it means in dropshipping language means we're gonna run some ads, specifically Facebook ads to this product, and try to make some sales and try to make some profit, try to make some money, and try to buy some Gucci shoes with this.